A gas cylinder explosion occurred on Monday morning in T. Dasarahalli, northern Bengaluru, leaving 7 people injured. The victims, identified as Dhijudar, Anjali Das, Manushri Manu, Tiperudra Swami, Shobha and Karimullah, sustained serious injuries and were taken to Victoria Hospital for the treatment. The blast, which is suspected to have been caused by a gas leak from the cylinder, happened around 9 am. Firefighters responded to the scene. The Pina police also conducted an inspection at the site. The explosion caused significant damage, with windows of 11 nearby houses being shattered. Local authorities are investigating the cause of the incident and the area has been assessed for the safety. There were no reports of fatalities, but the injuries remain severe, and the incident has raised concerns about the safety of LPG cylinders in residential areas.
Yes,